In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint for polished professional slides. By the end, you'll know how to insert an image, tweak its look, and position it so your slides feel cohesive and intentional. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and the presentation you want to improve. If you don't already have an image on your slide, head to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and pick an image from your device or an online source. Once it appears, click the picture to select it. You'll notice a new tab at the top called Picture Format. That's your control center for everything we're about to do. Begin with size and placement. Use the corner handles to resize so you don't distort the image. Avoid dragging the side handles, which can stretch or squish it. Then click and drag to move the picture into position. Think about how it relates to your slide's headline and other elements. Leaving consistent margins and spacing goes a long way toward a clean, professional look. Next, explore the Adjust group in the Picture Format tab. Corrections lets you fine-tune brightness and contrast to make the image clearer and easier to see on a projector. Color provides tints, saturations, and recolor options so your picture matches your template or brand palette. If you want a distinct visual vibe, try artistic effects for subtle texture or stylized looks. Just keep it tasteful to maintain readability. If the photo has distracting edges, use crop. Click crop, then drag the black handles to trim away what you don't need and bring focus to the subject. For a more custom look, choose crop to shape and select a shape like a circle or rounded rectangle. This is great for profile images or call-out graphics while keeping everything consistent across slides. For quick polish, open picture styles. These presets apply borders, shadows, reflections, and soft edges in one click. They're handy for creating depth and separation from the background without manual tweaking. Use the Arrange tools to refine layout. Align options help center your image or align it with other objects. You can send pictures forward or backward to layer them properly, and rotate slightly if your design calls for it. Clean alignment and balanced spacing make your slide feel intentional. For precision control, click Format Picture to open the side panel. Here you can adjust transparency to blend the image with background elements, sharpen or soften details, and set exact size and dimensions. Formatting pictures thoughtfully helps your slides look cleaner, more engaging, and easier to understand. Small tweaks add up to a big upgrade in professionalism. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.